This is our ATM which we just inaugurated at the Kalibadi, Sainik Puri. There was a long felt need for this ATM because over here there is no ATM in close proximity for about nearly 2 to 3 kilometers. And I think the residents over here number around 3 to 4,000. So I expect that there will be good hits on this ATM. And it was an initiative which Kalibadi people prompted us that we should have an ATM over here, and so today we inaugurated this ATM. This ATM is our 1216th ATM in Telangana. All over India we have 2,322 ATMs. This ATM is special because it has been provided with a braille keypad which would help the visually challenged, and the bank has issued altogether, just for form's sake, 95.92 lakhs of ATM cards, out of which 51 lakhs of ATM cards are in the state of Telangana. The bank has been designated as the convener of SLBC, State Level Bankers Committee for Telangana. This is a signal recognition State Bank of Hyderabad has got. We have around 700 branches plus in the state of Telangana, so we expect that we will be doing yeoman service to the newly formed state, and we will progress together further. Incidentally, I may also mention that we have donated an ambulance to the local Kalibadi here because there was a long felt need for an ambulance. There was no ambulance on call here for, again, I think nearly 5 to 6 kilometers. So in case of emergency, the time taken for the ambulance to reach in certain cases might have proved to be fatal. So we decided to go and have an ambulance also here. I thank Kalibadi Governing Committee for giving us the opportunity of serving the people of the locality and also serving the state of Telangana in having these initiatives over here. Expansion plans, actually I don't have any data at the moment because I thought we will only speak on this, but definitely we have branches planned, about 100 odd branches in the undivided state of Andhra Pradesh, more or less, and all over India. So some of these will be in, scale, say level 3 cities, level 4 cities, level 5 cities. Our thrust in Telangana will be to, penetrate to the pockets where State Bank of Hyderabad is not there, or no other bank is very close to, is there to serve the banking requirements of the people of Telangana. This is our first ATM over here, and as I mentioned earlier, I don't think within a range of 2 to 3 kilometers there is another ATM. This has been provided fully by State Bank of Hyderabad. It is parked over here. You can take the photographs. I thought of giving you photographs, but I came away in a hurry. It was in my liaison department. This year we were planning, I think, 159 branches all over, which includes, some single-man branches, some FI village branches, everything. We are concentrating, as I said, in Tier 3, Tier 4, Tier 5 cities, where, in metropolitan towns and big towns, banks are already there. It is the needy people who are in the rural and semi-urban areas who do not have banking facility. So we are expanding towards those. At the present moment, our focus for branch expansion will be mostly in Tier 3, Tier 4 and Tier 5, Tier 6 cities. Some rural for FI villages and all. That is essential because we need to, after formation of the new state, there will be a change, regarding the equations of banks and all. So as SLBC conveners, it is our duty to, help the state government in all their plans. So we intend to go all and lay all stress for the banking environment development in Telangana. Thank you so much.